How to use ChatGPT 4.0 for free. So let's get started. First thing what you need to do is just come over to your chatgpt.com. So let me remind you that the current version which you are using right now can be seen by simply tapping on your profile icon at the top right corner. Just make sure you have already logged into your account, and once you're inside here, simply click on this upgrade plan. So it will basically let you know that you are currently you have access to GPT 4.0 mini and reasoning. So as you can see, you already have a 4.0 access to the 4.0 GPT, but in a limited fashion. That is, you have access to mini and reasoning, standard voice mode, real-time data from waves and search, limited access to GPT 4.0 and 04 mini, limited access to file uploads, advanced data analysis and image generation, as well as custom GPT. You can also customize your GPT. So if you want further features other than this, then you have to come over here and simply get plus or get pro from over here. So if you are using free, then you can simply enable this feature, that is your current plan, and you can even check this via asking ChatGPT right from the text. So you can also ask ChatGPT like saying, what's the ChatGPT version that I'm using currently? So, and as you can see, it will automatically give you the version that you are currently on, just like this. So basically now you can easily get GPT 4.0 for free, but if you want advanced feature without any limitations, you have to go to paid version, just like that. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.